You received 150 million, and I'm asking you, you get paid to do what?
One must indicate that we are a special district municipality.
No.
We are special.
Look, no. You are special, you are everything. Describe yourself. I don't want the description. I want to know, what do you do? Don't describe yourself. You're beautiful, you're tall, you're handsome. Leave that. What do you do? Let's deal with that aspect.
That's one of the reasons why, Chairperson, we are crying out
for support. No. What do you do? Don't go around. Just tell us you do this, you do this, you do this. That's all I want.
It's difficult to explain without explaining how special we are. Yes, we are special.